So I think it's safe to say that we all know that one of the biggest RV hacks is to have something that has a dual purpose. Helps you save on space. So why not have a decorative item that also doubles as a light? Hi, I'm Lindsay here from RecPro, and this is one of our ceiling pendants. The product code is RP-1902. I'll go ahead and put the dimensions up here on the screen for you guys. So if you're wanting something a little bit more decorative, then this is the light for you. It uniquely pairs this brushed steel pendant stem with this overlapping wire design that has a beautiful dark gray finish. And it's also made out of steel. It also features this non-replaceable LED bulb that not only is energy efficient because it is LED, but it offers a bright illumination and puts off about a 3000 K color temperature, which is a nice, warm, cozy light. It is an easy installation and has an easy hookup with just 2 wires to hook up at the top, and it is run off of 12-volt power, making it perfect for your RV living rooms, bedrooms, or eating areas. If you guys are interested in adding a little bit of design that has a dual functionality to your RV space, please check out the link for this light fixture down in the description. And while you're down there, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to see more, and remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.